Second problem, find the value of the following. This is the question. Tan 45 degree by cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree by 2 cos 0 degree. We have to find out the value of the given question. First write the question. Tan 45 degree by cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree by 2 cos 0 degree. That is equal to tan 45 degree value is 1. 1 by cosecant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree value is 2. I hope you know the values because last class I explained how to learn that tabular columns. You should study that. That will be useful for your 10th grade. So study it and do the problems. Then secant 60 degree. Secant 60 degree value is 2. Cot 45 degree value is 1. Minus 5 into sin 90 degree value is 1. 2 into cos 0 degree value is 1. To simplify it, 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 5 by 2. And take LCM. LCM is 2. Both have 2, so here only 1 plus, multiply it, 4 minus 5. That is equal to 1 plus 4, 5 minus 5 by 2. That is equal to 0 by 2. If the numerator is 0, your answer equal to 0. So the value of this is 0. Next problem, sin 90 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree plus cos 0 degree minus cos 45 degree. We have to find out the value of this. So solution. Write this equal to, tell me the value of sin 90 degree, that is 1. 1 plus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 plus cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. So first part over into second part, sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2 plus cos 0 degree value is 1 minus cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. Then simplify this. Take the LCM. LCM is, we have only 2. So 2 root 2 is the LCM. Then what will be here? This numerator and denominator multiply by 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So your numerator is 2 root 2. Here already 2 is there. So multiply by root 2, root 2. So here your numerator is root 2 plus. Here root 2 is here, 2 is missing. So multiply by 2 and 2. So your numerator is 2 into the same thing here. LCM 2 root 2. Here 2 is there, so multiply by root 2, numerator is root 2 plus, here nothing, so 2 root 2 minus, here root 2 is here, 2 is missing, so 2 into 2. That is equal to, look, already we did one problem like this in example. Add 2 root 2 and 1 root 2. That is 3 root 2 plus 2 by 2 root 2 into the same here 3 root 2 minus 2 by 2 root 2. Okay, then multiply the numerators and denominator. 3 root 2 plus 2 into 3 root 2 minus 2 by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Look, numerators in the form of a plus b into a minus b. It is a plus b into a minus b. So what is the result? A square minus b square. So that is equal to a square 3 root 2 square minus b square 2 square by 2 into 2 4 into root 2 into root 2 2. That is equal to, so 3 square value is 9, root 2 square is 2 minus 4 by 8. That is equal to 18 minus 4 by 8. That is equal to 18 minus 4 is 12. Sorry. 14 by 8. That is equal to, cancel it, 7, 4. 7 by 4. This is your answer. Third problem is sine square 30 degree minus 2 cos cube 60 degree plus 3 turn power 4 45 degree. Solution. After solution, write it again. That is equal to, apply the value, sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2, then square you have, square, minus 2 into cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 power 3 plus 3 into turn 45 degree is 1 power 4. So that is equal to 1 by 4, 2 square is 4 minus 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 times plus 3 into 1 power anything is 1. So 1 power 4 is 1, 1 power 5 is 1, 1 power 1000 is 1. Anyway, 1 power 4 is 1. 1 by 4 minus, cancel it, remaining 1 by 4. How did you get this 4? 2 into 2, 4 plus 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Then 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 0. So 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3. This is your answer. Third problem. Verify cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. We have to prove both are equal. Also, the value of a is given, that is 30 degree. Solution. First, you can take the LHS, left hand side, so right hand side, equal to cos 3a. What is the value of a? 30 degrees. So, cos 3 into 30 degree equal to cos 90 degree. 3 into 30, 90. Cos 90 degree value is 0. Take equation number 1. Next, RHS, right hand side. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Then apply the value of 30. A. Apply the value of a, that is 30. So 4 cos cube 30 degree minus 3 cos 30 degree equal to 4 into cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. This cube minus 3 into cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. And that is equal to 4 into, this you can return as root 3 into root 3 into root 3 by 2 into 2 into 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. That is equal to, cancel it. 1, 2 is 2. Then again 2 is cancelled. You know root 3 into root 3 is 3. And again one more root 3 by denominator 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. Look, both are equal. That is equal to 0. So equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS, hence we verified. Question is, find the value of, fourth question, find the value of 8 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x when x value is given 15 degree. So we can apply it. Apply the value of 15, 8 sin 2 into 15 cos 4 into 15 sin 6 into 15. That is equal to 8 sin 2 into 15 value is 30 degree. Then cos 4 into 15 is 2 15s are 30, 3 15s are 45, 4 15s are 60. Then sin 6 into 15, that is 90 degree. That is equal to 8 into sin 30 value is 1 by 2, cos 60 value is 1 by 2, sin 90 value is 1. So we can cancel it. 1 4 times 8. 1 2 times 8. So in your numerator you have 2 into 1 into 1 into 1. So that is 2 by 1. That is equal to 2. So the value of this is 2. Next heading is trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. So you can say a pair of angle, some pair of angles are known as complementary angles. So what are the angles you know? Tell me. Theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, cot theta. So these two are related, these two are related, and these two are related. How they are related? Listen. Sin theta we can return as in term of cos 90 degree minus theta. Also cos theta we can return as in term of sin 90 degree minus theta. Then secant theta we can return in the term of cosecant theta, cosecant 90 degree minus theta. Also cosecant theta we can return in the term of secant theta, secant 90 degree minus theta. Then what are the remaining two? This two. So tan theta equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Also cot theta equal to tan 90 degree minus theta. So you should study this 3 set of formula, that means 6 formula. We are going to use this 6 formula for some examples. Okay, so sin and cos are related. secant and cosecant are related, tan and cot are related. Example 6.7, express first one sin 70 degree in terms of cosine. Cosine means cos theta, cos. Okay, sin 74 degree. You know, sin and cos are related if we use the complementary angles. Sin 74 degree we can return as cos 90 degree minus 74. How can you return this? Because you know sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. So in that place of theta we have 74 degree. So sin 74 degree equal to cos 90 degree minus 74. That is equal to cos, when you subtract what will you get? 6, 1. So sin 74 degree we return in the term of cos, that is cos 16 degree. Second one, it is first one, then second one. Tan 12 degree in terms of cot. So tan 12 degree we can return. Tan and cot are pair. So cot 90 degree minus 12. How can I write this? The formula is tan 90 degree, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. So that is equal to, subtracted cot 90 degree minus 12, 78 degree. So we return as tan 12 degree is cot 78 degree. Next one, third one, cosecant 39 degree. Cosecant in term of secant. So cosecant theta, you know that cosecant theta equal to secant 90 minus theta. So cosecant 39 degree equal to secant 90 degree minus 39 degree. That is equal to, subtracted 90 and 39, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. So this is your answer, secant 51 degree. So 39 degree is secant 51 degree. Next example 6.8, evaluate this value. So sin 49 degree by cos 41 degree equal to sin 49 degree. We can return this cos in term of sin. You know, sin and cos are related. How can you change it? Sin 90 degree minus 41 degree. That is equal to sin 49 degree by subtracted sin 49 degree. You can cancel because both are same. Your answer is 1. So value of this is 1. So it is first one. Then second one is secant 63 degree by cosecant 27 degree. That is equal to secant 63 degree by cosecant we can return in the term of secant. So secant 90 minus 27 degree. 90 minus theta, in that place of theta we have 27. So just write it. So secant 63 degree by subtracted secant 63 degree. So both are same. So if you cancel it, you will get 1. This is your answer. Exercise 6.2. First problem, verify the following. Yesterday we did 2 problems. It is third problem. Cos 90 degree equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. So we have three equalities. So first you can take this one, cos 90 degree equal to, what is the value of cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degree equal to 0. So you know that, take this as 1. Next you can take this part, 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree equal to 1 minus 2 into sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. You know here we have square, so square. Then 1 minus 2 into, then square root and square will be cancelled, so 1 by 2. Cancel it. What will you get? 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So take equation 2. Third one, this part. 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1 equal to 2 into cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, then square. That is equal to 2 into square root and square will be cancelled, 1 by 2. So here 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. So 2 into 1 by root 2 square minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to, cancel it, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 3. So from equation 1, 2, 3 we verified. That's all. Next problem, sin 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree sin 60 degree equal to sin 90 degree. First you can take this part, that means LHS, left hand side, equal to sin 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree sin 60 degree. That is equal to, sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. And cos 60 degree value is again 1 by 2. Plus cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. Then sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Okay. Multiply the both. 1 by 2 into 2, 4. Plus multiply the both. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 into 2, 4. Then 1 plus 3, same denominator, 4. 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. So LHS we have 1. Take as equation number 1. Take the RHS. RHS equal to sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree value is 1. So from 1 and 2, verified. Okay. Example 6.9. Find the value of tan 7 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 67 degree, tan 83 degree. So in this problem, we are going to keep the first two terms as it is. We know the value of tan 60, that value we have to apply. Then next two terms we have to change using complementary angles. Okay. Solution. as I said, first two terms there is no change, just write it. Turn 7 degree, turn 23 degree, then turn 60 degree value is root 3. We can apply the value as root 3. Then turn 67, we can return using complementary angle, turn and cot. So cot 90 degree minus 67 degree, again this one. Cot 90 minus 83 degree. So that is equal to tan 7 degree, tan 23 degree into root 3. Then cot 90 degree minus 67 degree. 90 minus 67 value is cot 23 degree. Then cot 90 minus 83 value is 7 degree. Then you know one formula. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, that we are going to apply now here. So tan 7 degree, tan 23 degree into root 3 into this value. Cot we are going to apply for these two. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So cot 23 degree equal to 1 by tan 23 degree into 1 by tan 7 degree. So it is in multiplication, thus we can cancel. Remaining 1 into root 3, that is equal to root 3. This is your answer. Same example, second part. Cos 35 degree by sin 55 degree plus cos 12 degree sin 12 degree by cos 78 degree minus cos 18 degree by sin 72 degree. Solution. Then which is equal to, change all the numerator using complementary angle. There is no, change all the denominator using complementary angle. There is no changes in the numerator. Cos 35 degree by, you can change this as cos 90 degree minus 55 plus sin 12 degree by sin 90 minus 78 plus cos 18 degree by cos 90 minus 72. Then cos 35 degree by cos, subtract it, 35 degree plus sin 12 degree by, subtract it, sin 12 degree. Here sin is minus. Cos 18 degree by, subtract it, cos 18 degree. So numerator and denominators are same, just cancel it. What will you get? 1 plus 1 minus 1. So which is equal to 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. So remaining only 1. This is your answer. Next example, first part. If cosecant A equal to secant 34 degree, then find A. This value we have to find out. Okay. Already we know the formula. Cosecant A equal to secant 90 minus A. In the place of theta, just say write A. Take equation 1. Already you know the formula. Cosecant theta equal to secant 90 degree minus theta. Just say return in the place of theta A. Cosecant A equal to secant 90 degree minus A. So in our question given cosecant A equal to secant 34 degree. It is given. So, from equation 1, instead of the secant A, apply this value. Secant 90 degree minus A equal to secant 34 degree. So, both angles are equal. Both terms are equal. So, we can say the angles are equal. So, 90 degree minus A equal to 34 degree. So, from here we can find the value of A. 90 degree, bring 34 there, here, minus 34, the sign will change, 34 degree, then A next side, the sign will change as plus. So, 90 degree minus 34, what is the answer? 56 degree A. So, A equal to 56 degree, we found that. Second part, if tan B equal to cot 47 degree, then find B. We have to find out the value of B. So, as in the previous, we know I took the theta as B. Tan B equal to cot 90 degree minus B. Take equation number 1. So, in that place, place of theta, I put B. Then given, what is given there? Given tan B equal to cot 47 degree. So, from equation 1, apply the value of tan B here, this value. Cot 90 degree minus B equal to cot 47 degree. So, both terms are equal. So, the theta value is equal. Angles are equal. So, 90 degree minus B equal to 47 degree. So, find the value. To find the value of B, bring this here. So, the sign will change as minus 47 degree. Next side, so the sign will change as plus. So, when you subtract it, what will be the answer? 43 degree. So, B equal to 43 degree. That's all.